Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over me changing the 501 bulbs in my in the bimmer, so the side light bulbs, and restoring the headlights. So obviously this is me opening the bonnet so I can see what's in there. Well, get access to the lights. This is the walk around of the headlights before. This is me going and showing you guys all the wiring and stuff like that. And then I don't know why the cover was already off. Some of the other wirings in there, some of the sketchy plugs. This is where the 501s were based. Grabbed them out, and then they were looking crispy anyway, so I needed to change both of them. Then I've changed both of them for some LEDs, and then this is the bulb that is always a bit sketchy and doesn't always work. It sort of flickers every so often. I think that might be either a loose connection or some sketchy wiring, which I'll have to look into, to be fair, for the MOT. But apart from that, yeah, it's not too bad. So we changed the bulbs for LEDs. And these are the headlights before I polished them out. As you can see, a lot of clouding, a lot of just like grime around the edges and stuff like that. So it's best just trying to get a better beam pattern. So first of all, give them a quick clean, give them a quick clean off. Make sure they're dry. Wet sanded them down. Give it a nice clean off again. Put some lacquer over them, and then let that dry, and then polished it out with a little bit of cutting compound and some glass polish. As you can see, the results are miles better. The driver's side one was the worst, but it's come up pretty well. As you can see, the beam pattern's a bit better as well. There's still a little bit hazing, so I could do it again, but we'll see how it goes and go from there. Hopefully it should be better beam pattern for the MOT coming up in February, so I should be able to do it one more time to make sure it comes out perfectly. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.